Hello, my name is Joshua Fine, and this is my presentation on network diagrams for Namaste Taste. Since Namaste Taste already has 3 locations and plans to expand into another state, they need to be able to access data for all of their locations. This is why I believe having software as a service, or SaaS, through a cloud network would be the best option. Here, I used a point-to-point topology diagram to demonstrate the connections for one restaurant location. The idea is that there will be a central cloud where the data can be stored so that all locations can store and access data through it. Of course, having a cloud server has its risks depending on the SaaS vendor and what securities they can provide. But I believe it will be the cheapest and easiest method over running their own private server. Each location will have an IP version 4 through their router connection. This is where the perimeter firewall is in order to protect the internal network from possible risks. After, an internal prevention system, or IPS, is in line to quickly detect any threats that may have passed through the perimeter firewall. Next in line, the demilitarized zone, or DMZ, helps to separate the internal network to protect possible hackers from getting in. By the time the network reaches the switch, the threat should have already been detected or blocked. However, adding an internal detection system, or IDS, at the switch for a more thorough search helps to ensure a final detection before getting into the internal network. Further, an internal firewall and IPS helps to detect and protect against threats on the internal network. Finally, adding a network-attached storage, or NAS, to the switch can be used as a backup server in case data gets corrupted or lost.